Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. Debt Service Coverage Ratio (DSCR) is a key financial ratio that measures a borrower's ability to repay debt obligations. उधारकर्ता अपने ऋण दायित्वों को चुकाने में कितना सक्षम है? This ratio indicates how comfortably a borrower can meet their long-term debt commitments using the funds available from operations. It is calculated by dividing the entity's net operating income by its total debt service, which includes both principal and interest payments. Banks and financial institutions use DSCR to assess repayment capacity and to determine suitable repayment schedules for term loans. Formula for net operating income divided by its total debt service or profit after tax (PAT) plus depreciation plus interest on term loan divided by interest on term loan plus installment on term loan. Net operating income represents the cash flow generated from business operations, usually equivalent to earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, or operating profit. Total debt service refers to the total amount of principal and interest payments that a borrower is required to pay during a specific period. Purpose of DSCR is risk assessment. Helps banks evaluate a borrower's financial strength and creditworthiness before loan approval. Loan sustainability assists in determining whether the borrower can sustain debt repayment over the loan tenure. Financial health indicator. Higher DSCR shows strong repayment capacity. A lower DSCR indicates financial risk. Decision making guides banks in setting appropriate loan amounts, repayment schedules, and terms. Let's discuss one example for understanding. Profit after tax is 3 lakhs rupees. Depreciation is 2 lakhs rupees. Interest payment is 1 lakh rupees. Annual installment principal repayment is 2 lakh rupees. Here DSCR is 2, which means the company earns twice the amount needed to service its debt obligations, interest plus principal repayment. कंपनी अपने ऋण दायित्वों, ब्याज और मूलधन भुगतान को पूरा करने के लिए आवश्यक राशि से दोगुनी आय अर्जित कर रही है। DSCR ऊपर 1.5 सामान्यतः विचार किया जाता है। गुड, indicating comfortable debt servicing ability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.